Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate fraud monitoring with Capital One, protection guide step by step clearly. To activate fraud monitoring with Capital One, start by opening your preferred web browser. Visit the official Capital One website and log into your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Fraud Alert or Fraud Monitoring. Click on this option to proceed to the fraud monitoring settings. You may see a brief overview of what fraud monitoring entails. Read through the information carefully to understand the service. Locate the button or link that says Activate or Enroll. Click on it to begin the activation process. You might be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via text or email. Once your identity is verified, return to the Fraud Monitoring Settings page. Select your preferred monitoring options, such as notifications for suspicious transactions. Be sure to save any changes you make. You should receive a confirmation that fraud monitoring has been successfully activated. Review the confirmation details to ensure everything is set up correctly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact Capital One Customer Service. Keep an eye on your account for any alerts about unusual activity. Regularly check your settings to ensure your preferences remain up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.